Hi friends, this is Kruti Jaipancholi, Assistant Professor in LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. This video is about subject Microwave Engineering. So friends, in the last video, we learned about the various microwave measurement technique. Now, from this video, we are going to learn about the various recent trends in the microwave engineering. So, we are going to start with the various microwave applications. Now, as we know that, till now we studied about what is the microwave, how to generate the microwave, how to process the microwave using the active and the passive devices. But now, as you know that, the life that is very busy and we need to take the help of the intelligent devices. Now all these intelligent devices that plays a very big role in our life. So like the microwave oven, you know that the mobile phone, these all are the devices that we need to use in our day-to-day life. Now as we know that this would be the part of our life. And as we know that all the devices may use the range of the frequency, that is the microwave frequency. So we can say that the microwave that becomes the integral part of our life, as well as we can say that it plays a major role, okay, into the security purpose. We know that the radar, okay, that can be used, that is again uses the microwave frequency. Almost all the channels they are used for the transmission purpose. Entertainment channel, the sports channel, educational channel. So these all the channels, that all the transmission that has been done, that is via using the satellite. So in the satellite transmission also the microwave that can be used. So this way the microwave, using the microwave, the medical instrumentations in the medical field, it is also used. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about the applications of the microwave in the various field. We will see that how it can be useful in the medical field, how it can be useful in the case of the civil applications, what is the EMI, what is the MMIC fabrications technique, as well as the important thing, that is what is the effect of all these microwaves onto our body. Okay, so here in the figure, okay, you can see that the baby, okay, is there. Okay, now you know that there is a whole network of all the devices, and we know that all these rays that can affect to the body of the human. Okay, so this way we know that there is lots of effect of all these microwaves onto the human body. Now which are those effects? So as we know that the visible light, okay, that does not penetrate through the walls, okay, and the human body, whereas we know that the microwave radiation can penetrate through the walls and the human body. Okay, so that is why the penetration of these microwaves that affect the human body in the various manner. What it will do, the very crucial effect of this microwave, that is on to the melatonin secretion. Okay, what is the melatonin? The melatonin, that is a hormone in our body that plays a big role in a sleep. So now this way here the pineal gland, okay, that will generate this melatonin, and this disturbs, this microwave that disturbs this particular the hormone which is generated by the pineal gland, and due to that there is an effect onto the human brain and it results into the lack of the sleep. So this way the lack of the melatonin, okay, that gives the various effect. So now, as the melatonin, this hormone that protects against the cancer, the long-term transmission of this all the microwave, okay, that signals onto the human body, what it will do? It will again disturb this melatonin secretion. So now there is a leak of the melatonin secretion, and due to that it may result into the breast cancer as well as the prostate cancer. So this is again the effect of this microwave, okay, onto the melatonin secretion. Now the other effect, that is this microwave transmission that increases the nocturnal in the melatonin level, and due to that it disturbs the sleep. Okay, so now the disturbance in the sleep, you know that we require almost around 6 to 8 hours sleep. Okay, now due to the disturbance of this, okay, it may disturb in the sleeping, okay, and this sleeping cycle, if it damaged, okay, it may result into the disease, okay, that is the insomnia. Okay, so now due to the lack of the sleep, okay, the life of the insomnia, okay, you can see that during the night, okay, you can't sleep. Now while the people that wake up during the day, you start feeling the sleepiness. Okay, so that is why, okay, we need to take care about all these microwaves. So you know that if you are using the more, okay, the mobile phone, okay, now you need to please have to take care, okay, about it, because due to the use of all this instrument, okay, that can be some problem. Okay, so as we know that the coin has two sides, okay, so this was the one side of the coin, okay, and in that we have seen that what are the effect of all these microwave onto the human body. The other side, okay, that is the microwave radiation, okay, does not have the sufficient power to break the covalent bond in the DNA molecules as that of the X-ray as well as the gamma ray. But microwaves that can produce the enough interaction between the ions and the charged macromolecules, and this increase the production of the free radicals and reactive oxidative species, and that will damage the DNA. So this is again the other part, okay, that how it can be helpful. So constant exposure of the microwave, that microwave radiation that damages the DNA, okay, and again if it will damage the DNA, there is again the risk of what? It's a cancer. Okay, so that is the thing, okay, that is with the microwaves, okay, how it affects. So here you can see that it damages, okay, the DNA cycle, okay, and it results in what? So it results in the cancer. So again, you need to take care about it. Okay, so now the other side, there is again the application of all these microwaves in the field of the medical as well as variety of the civil applications are there. Now, the microwave that plays an important role in the medicine. The medical applications of the microwave signal is mainly for the treatment of the patients with the use of the either the thermal or the non-thermal effect. Okay, so now it can be used for the treatment of the patient based on the thermal effect, and there are the various treatment they are categorized, okay, and those are the one is the diathermia. Okay, now the diathermia hitting up to the 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, in the medicine, this diathermia or the diathermy, that is the usage of the electrically induced heat into the therapeutic purposes. Okay, it is commonly used to cause the muscle relaxation. Okay, so it is the method of heating tissues electromagnetically, okay, or the ultrasonically for the therapeutic purpose in the medicine. Okay, so this way the diathermia, okay, this way the microwaves that can be applied, as you know that the microwave heating, okay, that's a main thing, okay, that can be used in all the applications. But if you will use the microwaves, okay, more than the requirement, what it happened? The way you are cooking the food inside the microwave oven, same way the tissues, they are going to start up hitting and rotating, and it will cause the problems, okay. So again we need to take care about all this microwaves. Next is the hyperthermia. Okay, what is the hyperthermia? It's a cancer treatment, okay, in which body tissues that is exposed to high temperature, that would be around the 113 degree Fahrenheit, and this high temperature that can damage as well as kill the cancer cells, okay. So in the cancer treatment, okay, the microwave that can plays a very big role, okay, and it is almost always used with the forms of the cancer therapy such as the radiation therapy or the chemotherapy. It may make some cancer or more sensitive to radiation to harm the other cancer cells that radiation cannot damage. So this way the hyperthermia, okay, the effect, okay, and how it can be useful in the medical field to treat the cancer. So it is about the medical applications. Now about the civil applications of the microwave, okay, which we learn into the next video. It is about the microwave heating. The microwave heating that can be used in the construction to identify the crack. Okay, so the civil in the construction, the engineers are using the RF sources to identify the crack within the building. The another is the microwave oven. Okay, now heating application that can be used in the devices, that is the microwave oven. In the navigation, okay, and instrumentation and the landing system, okay, also the microwaves that can be used, okay. So these all are the applications that is related to the microwave frequencies, okay. So this way the high frequency, okay, demand of that high frequency in the area of the communication. So this way in the mechanical purpose, in the civil application, there are the almost all the areas where such kind of the microwaves that can be used, okay. So this is the part 1 of this recent trends, okay. So thank you very much everyone.